So how to create custom Genmoji? Like if you press on this icon and if you search on pet, then you can see it's automatically generating some new image. You can use those pet as a emoji. So how to do it? So for that you have to update your phone with latest iOS 18.2 beta version. You see already updated. So you just need to go your software update and then you can see the software update available here. Just update with iOS beta version. And second thing, you have to enable your Apple Intelligence. So to enable Apple Intelligence, you have to select English United States language. So if you don't know how to, just go to general, go to language and region and just change it as United States, then your Apple Intelligence will be enabled. And once you enable this option, now if you go to your message option, so I'm go to the start, just enter and press on this emoji option, then you can see the new emoji option available here. Just select this on. Now enter anything, pet with sunglass, then you can see it's automatically generate new image. Just select this one, then it will be add as a custom emoji. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.